stop scrolling for a moment. If your mind has been racing with worries, doubts, and overthinking, this message is for you. For the next few minutes, don't try to solve anything. Just breathe and listen. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Let your shoulders relax. Your mind doesn't need to carry everything right now. I release the habit of overthinking. I allow my mind to slow down. I choose calm over worry. Not every thought deserves my attention. I am learning to trust the present moment. I let go of the need to control everything. My mind is becoming quieter and more peaceful. Clarity comes when I allow myself to relax. I do not need to have all the answers today. I trust that things are working out in ways I cannot yet see. Life unfolds step by step. I allow solutions to come naturally. Take another slow breath. Let your thoughts settle like calm water. I am safe in this moment. I release pressure from my mind. Peace begins inside me. Each day I become more calm. Each day I trust life more. Each day I move forward with clarity. If you've been feeling overwhelmed lately, remember this. Your mind is not your enemy. It just needs moments of calm like this. You don't have to figure everything out tonight. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is simply pause and breathe. If these affirmations helped calm your mind, take a moment to carry this feeling into the rest of your day. And if you want to go deeper into strengthening your mindset, I've shared a manifestation method in the description that helped me reprogram negative thought patterns. Only explore it if it feels right for you. For now, take one more deep breath and allow your mind to rest.